How can we check if a number is a prime number? Let's check the number 97. We can test to see if this is a prime number by checking for divisibility by successive numbers. Start with 2. Then 3. We don't need to check if it divides by 4 as we have already checked if it divides by 2. So no multiple of 2 will divide into it equally. 5 does not divide into 97, it ends in 7, so this is not possible. Again, there is no need to check if it divides by 6, or any multiple of 2 for that matter. If we divide 97 by 7, we don't end up with a whole number. 8 is a multiple of 2, so there's no need to check this. 9 is a multiple of 3, which we have already tested. 10 is a multiple of 2 and 5, which we have already checked. We can stop here because if we multiply any further numbers by anything larger than 10, we will get a number larger than 97. Therefore, 97 is a prime number. Notice that the numbers we have checked are all prime numbers.